CVM TV mourns the passing of former journalist and reporter Khadijah Thomas. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The executive of the Press Association of Jamaica, the PAJ, says that it is saddened by the passing of one of its directors, Khadijah Thomas. Khadijah Thomas passed away on Christmas Day. Thomas was voted in by her colleagues to serve on the highest decision-making body of the PAJ on February 14 of this year. Khadijah Thomas was a reporter at one of Jamaica's top media houses, CVM TV. Khadijah will be remembered for her leadership skill that she shown in her time as a reporter at CVM TV and her venture as the Director of Communications at the National Parenting Support Commission. In a post on the official account of CVM TV, it says, CVM TV is saddened by the passing of one of our colleagues, Khadijah Thomas. We also send our deepest condolences to her family members and friends. And we here at Links 007 TV as well just want to express our sincere condolences to her family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.